Are you looking for the best above-ground pools? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best above-ground pools on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Intex Ultra XTR Pool Set with Sand Filter Pump. The Intex 26333EH Ultra XTR Deluxe Rectangular Above-Ground Pool is our favorite above-ground pool and best with a filter because it is spacious enough for several adults and children to swim and play simultaneously and is relatively easy to install. We tested the 20 by 48 foot model, it's available in several sizes, and found it's deep enough for adults to submerge and swim fully but shallow enough for taller kids to stand in. It has everything you need to get started, including a ladder, pump, filter, and cover, so we didn't have to buy anything else. With that said, we found the included cover too small, so we recommend buying a bigger pool cover. Thanks to our robotic pool cleaner, keeping the pool free of pollen from nearby trees was easy. We also use a hand skimmer daily, run the pump every 2 weeks, and feed chlorine tablets to our floating dispenser weekly to maintain clear water free of bugs and floating debris. Once the site is prepared, setting up the pool is pretty straightforward. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, so we had no issues assembling the pool. This pool requires about 8,000 gallons of water. We had a water truck deliver to fill it, so it's important to set it up on heavily compacted soil, concrete, or another base capable of supporting that weight. If you have limited space or are concerned about the weight of the pool, you might consider one of the other size options from Intex or our best under $500 pick, which only holds about half as much water. We used a dump trailer to haul sand to create an even surface. Keep in mind that using sand can cause your pool to lean a bit due to the rain, which happens to us. However, this does not affect our overall experience using the pool. Dimensions: 20 feet x 48 inches, shape, round, water capacity, 7,947 gallons, frame, steel, setup time, 60 to 90 minutes, included accessories, ladder, filter pump, cover. Number 2. Intex Ultra XTR Pool Set with Saltwater System. If you're looking for an alternative to chlorinated pools and another best with filter option, consider the Intex 26367EH Ultra XTR Deluxe Rectangular Above-Ground Swimming Pool Set, which has the added benefits of a saltwater system. During testing, we loved the size and depth of this pool and the filter's effectiveness, which kept floating bugs off the top of the pool. There's enough room for about 10 to 12 adults, or 5 people with inflatable floats, allowing enough room to swim, lounge, and even play. It comes with a volleyball net. One thing we liked about this pool was the clear instructions and the uncomplicated design. There are many boxes and components, and we ended up laying everything out in an unfinished basement to plan the setup due to inclement weather. The setup process, not counting unboxing or planning, takes over 2 hours with 2 people, not because of a complicated process but because there is so much to do. We recommend setting aside plenty of time on a nice day and also picking up some baby or talcum powder to lubricate the pipes when pushing them through the thick vinyl. We don't think it would have been possible without that. We also recommend considering how long it will take to fill the pool. The average garden hose has a flow rate of about 12 gallons per minute, which would fill this pool in about 11 hours, but our flow rate from a private well took several days to fill. While testing this pool, we experienced several very severe thunderstorms, and it didn't have any issues from all the wind and rain. However, after 3 months of use, we noticed a bit of fading at the top of the lining, which we attribute to the constant exposure to the sun. We also noticed a crack in one of the pump's hoses, which resulted in a big leak. Like the lining, we think it might have been related to heat exposure, so we plan to swap out the hose. Dimensions: 24 feet x 12 feet x 52 inches, 32 feet x 16 feet x 52 inches, 36 feet x 18 feet x 52 inches, shape, rectangle, water capacity, 8,403 gallons, frame, steel, setup time, 1 to 2 hours, after site preparation, included accessories, ladder, pool cover, ground cover, volleyball set, maintenance kit, pool liner, filter pump. Number 3. Palisades Above Ground Hard-Sided Pool Package. If you have the space and budget, we think the Palisades above-ground hard-sided pool makes a great addition to any backyard space. It fits up to 12 adults, and although we haven't tested it yet, it's one of the sturdiest options on this list, with sides made of hard resin and weather-resistant steel top rails, uprights, and bottom rails. Plus, this pool is backed by a 25-year warranty. The setup is more complicated than many other options. You need ample level space, and you or a professional may need to compact the soil. The setup requires at least 2 people. Even experienced DIYers recommend hiring a professional. However, the kit includes plenty of extras to help make it worth the effort: a blue pool liner, wide mouth skimmer in return, pool light, sand filter, and 1 HP pump. We also appreciate that it comes with a sturdy A-frame ladder and a maintenance kit. Dimensions: 24 feet x 52 inches, 21 feet x 52 inches, 18 feet x 52 inches, 15 feet x 52 inches. Shape: round. Water capacity: 13,595 gallons. Frame: steel. Setup time: 2 to 3 hours. After site preparation, included accessories: pool liner, wide mouth skimmer in return, pool light, and sand filter pump. Number 4. Intex round metal frame pool. Our favorite budget-friendly pool is the Intex metal frame pool with filter pump. We tested it for several summer months and chose it for this list because it's easy to set up and has the same high-quality construction as our best overall recommendation, but at a much lower price. Although it's not as big as the Ultra XTR, it's perfect for smaller yards and can still fit a few kids and adults. Plus, we think it's a great choice if you like the simplicity of an inflatable pool but want a more durable option. You won't get extra accessories with this pool set, but it has a filter pump with a water capacity of 530 gallons per hour, so it should keep this small pool nice and clean. We found the pump easy to use with just a simple on-off switch. Plus, the pump includes a ground fault circuit interrupter, a handy safety feature that will shut off the pool's pump if water gets into the electrical current. You'll have to purchase an above-ground pool ladder and cover to help keep out debris, as well as a tarp or ground cover underneath the pool. Also, remember that you will need to have a clear, level space for the pool, proximity to an outlet for the pump, and a hose to fill it up. It took us about 6 to 8 hours to fill it up. Dimensions: 12 feet x 30 inches, 10 feet x 30 inches. Shape: round. Water capacity: 1,718 gallons. Frame: steel. Setup time: 30 minutes. Included accessories: filter pump. Number 5. Bestway Power Steel Oval Above Ground Pool. If you want more room to swim in a limited space, consider the Bestway Power Steel Oval Above Ground Pool. We haven't had the pleasure of testing it yet, but this oval pool has the length and depth to swim laps. It's not as big as an in-ground lap pool, but that's perfect if you're working with limited backyard space. We like the design of this oval pool, which requires less support structure than a rectangular pool, such as our best saltwater pick. That equates to a quicker setup. Bestway says this one takes 30 minutes, which is half the time it takes to set up our rectangular best saltwater pick. Oval pools like this require exceptionally flat ground. All above-ground pools require some site preparation, but you need to be especially careful setting up your site for this one. Since it has fewer support braces than a rectangular pool, it's more susceptible to uneven ground. Once set up, the pool is sturdy and durable, with a steel frame and a 3-ply liner that resists wear and damage. It includes a filter that keeps the water clean, but the pump is a bit weak, so you may need to skim manually. The included cover is a little small, too, so you may want to consider a cover upgrade. Dimensions: 20 feet x 12 feet x 48 inches, 16 feet x 10 feet x 42 inches. Shape: oval. Water capacity: 5,347 gallons. Frame: steel. Setup time: 30 minutes. Included accessories: filter pump, ladder, cover.